These cranberry sauce crackers are the perfect appetizer for your Thanksgiving dinner. Start by adding 1 bag of fresh cranberries to a medium saucepan, along with 1 cup of water and a drizzle of sweetener. Give that a nice stir and turn the pan on to medium-high. Bring it to a boil and then cover and let simmer for about 10 minutes. Then add in about half of a sachet of Simply Delish raspberry gel. Mix that in and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and let cool in the fridge to thicken. Spread out your favorite cracker on a serving tray and spoon about 1 tablespoon of the thickened cranberry sauce onto each one. Top with a fresh sprig of rosemary and you have the perfect salty and sweet appetizer that everyone will love.